All right. We're here to discuss again on hypothesis testing, and it's more on proportion. And this is the same with our last video. Okay, our last video, which also tackles proportion, but here we will tackle the last activity, and this is about Kleenex that we discuss our later videos. Okay. So this the hypothesis testing done in this problem is through the hypothesis mean testing, not the proportion. Okay, not the proportion mean, but the value of the mean. Okay, so it's not expressed in percentage. Okay, so you may opt to pause my video and try to read this problem here. And this is the null hypothesis already been given. It says here that the proportion is zero point 0.5. Okay, but the null hypothesis, the alternative hypothesis, the proportion is more than zero point 0.5. Okay, so we will try to check. Okay, because if we try to look at it, okay, so from the past example, okay, the the total sample is 250, right? 250 samples. Okay, we just have to make this general. Okay, 250. And then majority of the people who says, okay, this is the computation. Majority of the people that says that the tissue is more than they wanted 60 plus pliers of video of Kleenex. Okay, more than 100, around 150 forces. They should put more than 60 tissues in the box. 154 people says that. Okay, so 154 over 150 people. Okay, so 62% of the people interviewed says 60 tissues. Okay, let's make the percentage. Okay, let's express. Okay, so based on that, um, okay, so this is already pre-computed. You just have to delete this one to show how to compute. Okay. Um. Okay, 61%. Okay, we can see that is 61%. Now we have to check. Let's check the z value to check if it's really more than 50%. Okay. So when you say 50%, that's a decision to say that is a yes. Okay. Right. Okay. So we will check for the z value first. Okay. Again, the same with the process that we did. Okay. This one less than 50% over the square root of the sample mean, sample proportion, I mean, multiplied by 1 minus this one, sample proportion again, over the sample, the total samples. Okay, okay. So there, 3.77. That's the c value. Okay, so if we try to look at it, okay, from the standpoint of here, we will check if we will try to reject. We will put some decision here. Okay, so this one is 3.77. So it's for 77, then 3.7. Okay, just fits 3.77. It's 0.4992. Okay, 0.4992, 0.4992. Okay, so you get the z table now. Okay, so but first we need to check the decision on the level of the z value. Okay, okay. So here, the alpha. So since we will be using 99%, okay. So it's 2.5. Okay, this is within the bounds of um, within the within here. Okay, let's say here less than 2.5 because this is more than 2.5. I mean, since this is more than 2.5, we will reject the null hypothesis. Okay, right? Okay, so 3.77 is greater than 2.5. So we will reject the null hypothesis. Okay, let's check again. This is the final checking. Okay, so 0.49 again 0.5. This is already a fixed value. That's like this one. Okay, let's practice percentage. It's 0.01 percentage. Okay, so since it's 0.008, okay, this is more than point 0. This is already, this we just wanted alpha 0.001. Let's make this one as point as decimal. Okay, okay. So it's 0.008 since this 99% level of confidence. Okay, since this is within zero point zero 0.01 alpha, we will, and then yeah, this is less than zero point zero 0.01 alpha, we will reject the null hypothesis. Okay, so that's how to do that. Okay, okay, so that's easy, right? So therefore we conclude that uh, the people, we will conclude that we really need to if I am part of the management of Kleenex, okay, so I will conclude that we should put more than 60 tissues in the box, okay, of Kleenex, okay, because 60% people, more than 50%, I mean, more than 50% of of the sample proportion says that we should put more than 60 plus. I mean, more than 50. I mean, yeah, 60 plus tissues. Okay. More than 50% of that says uh, we should put 60, more than 60 tissues. Okay. So it's a little bit confusing, but I hope you're getting that. Okay. So I guess I already have explained all of it, and I'll see you in my next video. And if you have comments, just comment on my video below. Okay. Thank you.